YouTube. It's Sunday. It's been a week since the video. We had a couple issues with JD's car. I've changed the camera angle. It doesn't like it so much. JD's car had a couple of issues. Hi JD. Hey. Hi. So let me see. We have a pilot bearing issue on the clutch. Whatever. Yeah. Usually remedied. I just sneezed. Car was idling up very high, hanging around 2,300.
Yeah, and then it would come back down to 12, but as soon as you pop the gas, it would go right back.
Yeah,
right
and
back
then
down.
it had a boosting issue as well. You know, did the scientific approach and sprayed it with some brake cleaner and found it. We are using a Pro Comp intake. It's a solid aluminum intake. It is standing on end right now, so it looks kind of funny. It's this guy. So underneath,
I'll grab that.
there is a plate, and right here, that's part of a gasket. So what we're gonna have to do, hey, judging by all of the oil, JD.
Yeah. Catch me.
Catch me. So we'll pull that plate off. We'll figure out how to do that. We're probably just gonna do the normal, and we're gonna clean the shit out of it. Ow, damn it, that hurt. And then, what magical substance do you think we'll put on there?
Gray RTV saves lives.
Why gray? But you can't get that shit back off. So, answer my own questions. But, other than that, everything seems to be doing well. Except for all of this. We'll get it figured out. There's so much back here, JD. Look at it. No, gasket.
Oh.
So, sorry about
Oh. Nice. Yeah. Oh, another one.
Yep. Another one. You mean the original one. So, we'll get a play-by-play. JD goes through that and replaces it, removes it, and awkwardly inspects his car to make sure that nothing else is blown up or messed up. But it's part of it. Ethan's car snapped the weld on the axle tube that I put in right at the cast. I am going to have to, I'm gonna have to learn, I'm gonna have to approach cast a little bit differently. I'm gonna have to heat it better and then find a better way to slowly cool it down. Would probably have prolonged this, and we're gonna build an axle brace from tube to tube so that his car doesn't do this again. Yeah, so that'll be in like the next coming week. Yeah, stay tuned. We'll have fun. We'll spend more money. Except for JD. We're good on that.
Gray RTV.
Gray RTV. $5? Nope. $7.99. Ultra gray. Yeah, we'll see you soon. So, plate is off. Everything looks good. Oh shit.
No, it doesn't.
Oh shit. But, good news. We found it.
Ew. Yeah, leaving something up on the...
Yeah, it kind of moved it everywhere. I don't want to show you all that. A dead animal. It literally, the fiber on it feels like a dead or dying mouse.
That's fair.
Eat it. Eat it.
No, I'm good.
Whatever. Fuck, I'm hungry. I don't think I got that. Hi. Here's Brad. Working his magic on Wesley's ZL1 Camaro. I think we finally got the clutch adjusted or shimmed correctly. Note to self, always buy the shim kit when it's offered, or even when it's not offered, just go ahead and have one. Today, Ethan's car in its natural state. What a broke ass 8.8.
Got an 8.8.
Yeah. Filleted. Here is the issue. This is an issue. Yeah, consistent problem.
Gotta beat that back a little bit.
We're good.
Body work.
That's a lie. A little rundown on Ethan's car. Can't see anything, my bad. Stop manifold. Custom made crossover. You said Michael Green, right?
Yeah.
You did this kit?
Right there.
Yeah. Well, the initials don't tell anybody anything.
Yeah, Michael Green out of Texas.
Out of Texas made it. We just made changes, small changes. Used to be an X pipe. We capped it because we like to recycle, reduce, reuse. I gotta use this view. Makes your face look skinnier.
There you go. You gotta look up. Look up like that.
Look at it.
Okay, don't
Look at it. But I don't know. Oh, you can still see it. Huh. This is center. Shoom. This side's good. That side's not. Had this issue before. Blew out the 31 spawn carrier.
Yep.
Clutch packs.
Yep.
Now it's got a lunchbox locker in it. This is a lie.
It had a good launch.
Shit. This was welded before. It is very, very. It was a very thick weld, and it wasn't going anywhere.
It was a good
We
weld.
put a better tire on it and turned the two-step up in anticipation, and then the fuckery. The fuckery ensued. Now we're just gonna take it out, and we're doing tube braces, right? Tube braces. Tube braces. Tube. Not two braces. Well, it's two. It is two.
It is two.
Axle tube braces from right in here to over in here. Now,
Hopefully it'll work.
got the new ramps. They came in really handy to get this big broke thing off. For any Chrysler fans out there, this is not a Gucci print.
Oh, that's Gucci.
This is my driveway is really steep, and Ethan didn't see Brad's big 300C behind him.
It sits at a rake in the wing. You can't see anything.
Ethan can't see anything.
I can't look.
Didn't
Fuck
look.
you, I did look, kinda.
I saw it.
I heard it.
Oh, it was loud. The 300C's got an amazing grill. Let me tell you.
That bitch
Paul
iron plate.
Wall himself would sell that grill. But, all right. We'll keep you posted. We're just trying to fill in some content for you. Oh, wait. Brad's looking depressed because he's got to go get covered in brake fluid again. Thanks a lot, Wesley. It's just something wrong. Something about this car. We'll get it taken care of. Huh?
He's from the island.
From the islands, man. Yoshi's Island. Yeah. Okay. Okay, bye. It's getting hotter. We'll hope. Something is better than nothing. He's gonna die. I mean, it's gonna do great. It's gonna do fantastic. I believe we are shooting for. And we might just should probably put this one out before we go Saturday.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
Leading up to, this is a precursor.
Yeah. Before you hear us cussing over and over again. Apparently, there is an all V6 shootout at SC Motorplex in Orangeburg this weekend. Saturday.
Yep.
No GTRs. No newer
Late
CTS
models.
Vs. No Vs. None of the twin turbo Vs.
Gotta be
One power adder.
non-built motor.
Non-built. It's got to be stock motor, which this one is. His built motor is. Hold on. Here we go.
Built motor's
Fucking
half-ass over there.
motherfucking proof. What's up? His built motor is right here. And his broke ass crank is it's up in the machine shop. No, it was worn the fuck out.
Whatever.
So now we got all this shit.
Tubular
Oh, you can't see anything. I look up and it's like the abyss. So it's got to be a stock engine, which this is, 1 power adder, which this is. Daily driver. That's the main thing. We're not even talking about street car. It's literally AC, cruise control, literally a daily.
Cruise control works, but it's on there. It's too many buttons.
So we'll see. And if this breaks again, it's
her fault.
Her fault.
One shoveling Taco Bell in a row. Go ahead, that's fine.
That's how that works?
Yep.
I'm talking shit tonight to my wife. Eat mine. Go ahead. Get saucy. But, yep, soon. Okay, bye. I think it's better. It should be better. Just rotate it back around. Yeah, I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna do this. Nope. Yeah, that. So far, right? Thanks. Hey, so hello. You get your face. They will help. We'll just have to lock them down. Don't look at this one. Don't look at that one. Really don't look at that one. Actually, look at that. That bitch is huge. But confident?
Not at all. Yes, very.
I can't take it seriously. Your voice cracked. How do you feel? I feel real good. I feel real good. All right, so let me tell you that the ramp truck makes an excellent work table. Now all I need to do is put a fucking 4-post lift on this. Actually, I probably need it to sit at something less than a 12-degree angle. But yeah, so let's get this in. Yeah. No. No. Yeah. 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 Oh yeah. 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 Hi. Gotta do the wink. Can't. I just blinked. It wasn't a wink. My bad. I'm sorry. It's freaky. Not quite done. We are now. It's 11:48. What was it? 11:48 at night. Thursday night. Right? Thursday. Thursday. We still have to get a tire. Luckily we had these extra wheels. These are from an old car of mine. But it's comfortable. You can't see, but it's all in there. We did have to pull this Y pipe down. We're gonna have to do something because we didn't test fit. Whatever. It's okay, I guess. And it hits right there, so well, let's do a single exit exhaust. He's been talking about doing it anyways. It might change the sound a little bit. It didn't sound bad. Yeah. Is that a Supra? That's a Supra! I know it's not funny. We're delirious stuff right now. But, hey, there's Jay. This is our new big ass fan. Excuse me, it's just a portico, but it's big as shit. But yeah. Alright, I guess we'll finish this up, do a little exhaust work, and then I'll try to get this video done tomorrow night after we do the exhaust work, and then Saturday will be its own thing. Jay won't be here, so take it all in. Dare. I dare you to kick Ethan in the nuts. Look at his face. Tired. Tired. Huh?
Jay just woke up 30 minutes ago.
Huh? Jay's fresh. Jay's fresh as fuck right now.
Jay is there fresh.
Raise your hand if you're sure. Anyways, we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye. Oh, upward angle.